Hello class 2, how are you? Today I am going to teach you subtraction. This is part 2 in this chapter. In this video I will teach you how to do story sums. Okay, I hope you have done lots of subtraction in your rough notebook and book also. Now let's start story sums. Now see in your book, examples are there, 3 examples are there. There were 37 students in a class and 16 were absent. If there is a class of class and there are 37 students and 16 were absent, how many students come to school on that day? Okay, we have to find out how many students are present that day. Okay, number of student in class, how many number of students? 37 students are there in this class, and how many students are absent? 16 are absent. Okay, number of student, we have to subtract 16 from 37. Okay, the answer will be 21. On that day 21 students are present. Okay, Aryan has 145 pencils. If Aryan have 145 pencils, he gives 25 pencils to his sister, and he gave 25 pencils to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? Okay, firstly we have to write how many pencils Aryan have. How many pencils Aryan have? 145. How many he gave his sister? 25 he gave his sister. Okay, then we have to subtract 25 from 145. The answer will be 120. Now Aryan have how many pencils? 120 pencils. In story sums you have to write this. Okay, and statement. This is very important. A tree has 298 apples on it. The gardener took away 172 apples from it. How many apples were left on the tree? If a tree has 298 apples on it and a gardener to take away how many? 172. Firstly we have to write how many apples on tree? 298, and we have to subtract how many apples? 172. The answer will be 126. 126 apples are left on the tree. Some more questions are done for you. Okay, in a club of 59 children, 35 like cricket and the rest like football. How many like football? Okay, in a club 59 children are there in a club, and on this club 35 like cricket and rest of the children like football. How to we get answer? Firstly we have to write total number of children and then how many likes cricket. Then we have to write 35 here. We subtract 35 from 59. The answer will be 24. One more question is done for you. A group of boys had 65 bags of food. If they used 34, how many bags were left? Okay, now see here, a group of a children, group of a boy, 65 bags of food. 65, how many bags are there? 65, and used bags 34 bags were used. How many left? 31 left. Okay, now next question. A pack of soap had 68 soap. If one pack of soap had 68 soap, on it 45 are used, how many were left? Okay, firstly we have to write total total number of soap. How many soaps are there? 68 soaps. Okay. Now used soap 45. Eight minus 5. 8 minus 5, how many numbers are left? 3. Okay. 6 minus 4, 2. Now left 23 soaps. Okay. Now we have to write statement here. Now "23 soaps were left." Okay. Now see next question. A sailor had 75 stickers. He sold 45. How many stickers are left? Sailor had how many stickers? 75 stickers. And he sold how many stickers? 45. 45 were sold. Now subtract 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3. How many stickers were left? 30 stickers. Now write statement. A sailor had A sailor had 30 stickers left. Okay, this is the answer. Now do 3 and 4 yourself with statement also. Now see, look at next page, page number 38. Krish has 300. Now subtract problem 3-digit numbers without borrowing this, without borrowing these subtraction also. Krish has 327 cards. He pasted 116 cards in his albums. How many cards has he left paste? Okay, total number of cards are there. How many? 327. Pasted 116. Now we have to subtract 116 from 627. The answer will be 211. 327 people were going to Delhi in a train. If 115 people got off at Agra, how many people were left in the train? If people were going to Delhi in a train, and when they are going, they were how many? 327. But when train reach Agra, they get off how many people? 115. How many people were left? We have to subtract 115 from 327. The answer will be 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 212 people Okay, now we have to write statement. Now 312 peoples were left in the train. Okay. Now next, there are 895 packets of crackers in a shop. During the festival, 754 packets were sold. How many packets were left in the shop? Now, total packet of crackers are 895 packets of crackers. Okay, and sold 754. Same. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 7, 1. Left 141 packets of crackers. Now 141 packets were left in the shop. 141 packets of crackers were left in the shop. Now see next question. A school hall has 487 seats. At a show, 371 people were seated. How many seats were vacant? Total seats 487 seats. People seated people how many people were seated? 371. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, 1. 4 minus 116. 116 seats were vacant. 116 seats were vacant. Vacant means khali. Okay. Now here is some more questions. Do this question yourself. Okay, there are 738 students in a school. On rainy day, 126 students were absent. How many students were present? You have to subtract 126 from 738. You will get your answer. Now look at the page number 39. Subtraction with borrowing. Subtract 46 from 61. Look at the ones column. 6 is bigger than 1. 6 is bigger than 1. How to subtract these number? If 61 and 46. Now see here how to subtract 6 from 1, because 6 is bigger than 1. How to, what we have to do? We have to borrow tens from this number 6. Okay, this is ones and this is tens. We have to 1 tens from this number 6. Okay, firstly we have to cut this number, and when we take tens from this 6, we have to write 11 here. Okay, we will take away, we will take 1 tens. Okay, this 1 tens and add this one also. Okay, equals to 11. The answer is 11. Now we have to subtract 6 from 11. What is the answer? The answer will be, the answer will be 5. Okay, when we, and we have to write 5 here, because we gave ones tens to this ones. Okay, now 5 minus 4, we have to write 1. Okay, the answer will be 15. This is very easy. Now turn your page and do this borrowing sums. For example, 1 is also done for you. We will do question number 2. Okay. (78) from 78 we have to subtract 69. Okay. From 82 we have to subtract 5. Now look at here. Firstly we have to do this. Okay. Once 9 subtracted by 8. We cannot do this because 9 is bigger than 8. We will borrow ones tens from 7. Okay, we have to write 6 here. When we add 10 and this 8, the answer will be 18. Now we have to subtract 9 from this 18 number. Okay, the answer will be 9. 18 minus 9, the answer will be 9. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay, 0, 5 subtracted by 0, we will borrow ones from this 8. 0 will become 10. Okay, now 10 minus 5, 5, and 7 minus 2, 55. The answer will be 55. Now see next question. 63 subtracted by 28. 63 subtracted by 28. 8 is bigger than 3, so we will take ones tens from this 6. Okay, this 6 will be 5 and then this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8, 4. Okay, 5 minus 2, 3. 34. 34 is our answer. Now see next question. 47 subtracted by 8. Okay, there is no digit, so we have to write 0 here. Now 8 is bigger than 7, so we will borrow ones from this 4. Okay, the 7 will be 17 and this 4 will become 3. Now 17 minus 8, 9, and 3, we have to write same 3 here. 3 from 0, from 3 we have subtracted 0, the answer will be same 3 here. 39. Here is some more questions for you. Do yourself, do more and more practice of this borrowing sum. Okay, bye and take care everyone. Now see here, see the fact file on the subtraction. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get the previous number. Okay, if we subtract 9 from 1, we will get previous number. Okay, previous number means before the number we have subtracted. When 0 is subtracted from number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, if we subtract 0 from any numbers, the answer will be same. Okay, the number we have to write same. When we subtract a number from itself, its difference is always 0. If we subtract 10 minus 10, the answer will be 0. If we subtract from 2 minus 2, the answer will be 0. Okay, if we subtract same number with then we will get 0 answer. When subtracting on a number line, we always count backward. If we are using number line, we have to count backward accounting. Okay, if we have to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, we use the method of borrowing. If the number is bigger than a subtracted number, so we are borrowing from tens. Now subtraction using grid. This is the grid counting 1 to 100. Okay, now see here, see the arrow direction and arrow. This is not necessary, but I will discuss this because this is in your book, so I will discuss this. Okay, now see here, you have to draw a line. Firstly you have to make a grid and then you have to draw a line. For example, 15 minus 2, you have to write 15 here. You have to subtract it 2 digit numbers. 15 to 14 1 and 14 to 13 1 digit number. The answer will be 13 here. Now see, 41 subtracted by 3, the answer will be, where is 41? See here, 41 is there and the subtracted number is 3. 41, 41 and 2 and 3. Okay, 38. You have to draw a line. Okay, 27 subtracted by 5. Where is 27? 27 subtracted by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer will be 22. 63 subtracted by 5. Where is 63? Okay, 63 subtracted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer will be 58. Okay, this is not necessary. and this is tens line and this is ones line. After 9, all numbers are in tens except this 100, because 100 has 3-digit numbers. Okay, see the arrow direction of the arrow upward and read the following. 31 minus 20. 31 minus 20, our answer will be 11. 31, there is 31. 31 minus 20. We have to count, subtract with in tens. Okay, 11, 20 numbers. These row is tens, these rows is tens. Okay, 31, 1, and this, the answer will be this one equal to 20. This tens equals to 20, the answer will be 11. Okay, now see this. This is in okay. Now do this subtraction at home. Do more and more practice of this story sums. You, in the story sum, you have to write statement. This is very necessary. Okay, now take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye.